Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. If you don't know who I am a professional day trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday, and then also swing trade the crypto market only by looking at the charts. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button because honestly, I can, you know, minimize the stress that you are having right now, especially if you are in that crypto market. Some of you guys are stressed out because the market is going down. You don't know what to do. You don't know if it's going to go up today, tomorrow. Well, I can minimize that stress because I only focus on the charts, and I can teach you that, right? So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching that replay, you can hit settings 1.5 or 2 to speed up the video, right? And of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment, guys, all right? Entertainment only. So let's get the party started. We're going to talk about, what we're going to talk about today. Basically, we're going to talk about will Bitcoin turn bullish in 2020, all right? And we're going to look at some charts and answer some questions. So let's give you guys a round of applause real quick, and then we go from there, all right? Hopefully this thing is live. All right, it is a Friday, so I don't know, how many people are going to show up, but shout out to everybody that's showing up right now. All right, what's going on, Dom? What's going on, Laurenas? Who else? Jeremy, Lala, Davina. All right, so shout out to everybody that's coming in and that's going to come in later. If you're new to the channel, or if you don't, if you're just looking, you can say hi. You could type in the chat, say hi if you want to. But let's get this party started. So let's go to that coin market cap, and we start from there. Right now, the dominance is at 53.4. Okay, that's basically telling us that the bear market is still alive because the dominance is still up. All right, right now the market cap is at 114, and they are still defending that $100 billion mark, which is, not so surprising at all. When Bitcoin right now is at 61 billion, so they definitely want to try to defend it as long as possible. But if it goes below that $100 billion mark, it could be ugly. Definitely, things could get real ugly. All right. So anyway, let's go back to the charts. Nothing's really going on in the coin market cap. Nothing percentage wise, actually. So let's go back to the charts and let's review these charts real quick. Go to your guys' questions, and we go from there. So basically, last time we talked, guys, it was very simple. Okay, I told you guys how I feel, right, about the chart. I feel that we might most likely have a slow grind down. Okay, we're seeing it right now. So I do expect the market to grind slowly to the downside. And we talked about how the market could go down, right, and then decide to go right back up just to create another flag looking pattern, just to go right back down. So keep an eye on that, all right? Don't let these guys fool you. It's just, these guys playing with your emotions. And it is what it is. Some people are saying that we're having a what do you call that? A wedge, and we're going to break out. Basically, we can break out, but it's to the point where how far are we going to break out, all right? How far are we going to break out? That's the next question. Okay, so if we break out just to go right back down, that doesn't mean, the breakout doesn't mean anything. So if we break out, right, because that's another thing, right? That's another story they can have you guessing and hoping, right? Most of these moon boys that don't know what they're talking about on YouTube, they would say, "Hey man, we broke out," okay, just to get you hyped again. This breakout doesn't mean anything. So even though this pattern we can break out, honestly, the way things look right now, it looks like they want to go back and test the lows again. That's what it looks like. So we just have to be patient. You can just tell that the way the way they're going down, you can just tell that they wanted to keep this market up for January, and we're probably going to have most of the fireworks in February. So guys, get ready. All right, get ready, guys. January was the month where we didn't really do anything at all, and I think they did that on purpose. I think they did that on purpose just to play with your emotions, get your hopes up, make you think that this is the bottom, have you fall asleep, and then next month, which is February, I think that could be a crazy month. Okay. Not only in crypto, it might be a crazy month in the stock market too. So we'll see. February could be crazy. A lot of fireworks. So a lot of money to be made. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. That's what I'm looking at right now. Just a slow grind down. Yes, we might break out of this little wedge we have, which doesn't mean anything. It might be a slight break just to go right back down. Don't be the one that's getting trapped. All right. So let's go to these other coins and let's see if I see anything with these other coins. Let's see with Litecoin. All right. So Litecoin is just still hovering around, not doing anything. We want to see if this thing could break down to the downside, and we'll go from there. Let's see what Ethereum. All right, Ethereum is just slowly bleeding down, really not doing anything. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. Same thing, slowly bleeding down, not really doing anything. So we just gotta wait. What else? Let me see. Tron TRX. Tron TRX is holding this trend line. Tron TRX is stubborn right now, but honestly, guys, this looks like it wants to break out. So be careful with this too. We have a lot of resistance right here. So just be careful. And what's going on with XRP, the famous XRP? Let's go on with that. Yeah, so basically XRP, we saw 2 red bars. The buyers bought this back up, so let's see if the buyers can come back and go right back to the top with XRP. But right now, this doesn't look good. I'm gonna tell you why. Because we pumped up and basically it gave back 95% of its gains, so that doesn't really look good to me right now. So we'll see. So if you guys have any questions, type it in. I've been doing this for 11 years. I know some of you guys have questions. I know some of you guys are concerned, pissed off, depressed, mad that your portfolio is down 90%, mad that you've been lied to. So if you have any questions, let me know. All right, we can go from there. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So let's go to these questions. Let's see what's going on in the chat room. If you guys don't have any questions, we can go to something else. So let's see what's going on, guys. He says CWIG trade. What's going on with that? What's going on, Andrew? Steven, WOA. What's going on? WOA, you got my email, right? I send you everything, I believe. my thoughts on Ethereum. What about it? I mean, what's going on? What about Ethereum? What you want to know? Yeah, I mean, it's, if you see a setup, you know what to do. It looks weak, and if I see a setup, yeah, that's what I would do. 1106 said, "Can you recommend any good books on trading?" Okay, the thing about that, 1106. The thing about that is, trading is more a visual thing. All right, so you can read all the books that you want. It's going to be very hard unless the book is about technical analysis. I didn't read any books about technical analysis, but it's best, if you want to read a book, it's best to deal with books that's dealing with psychology. But other than this, other than that, I would just stick to videos, learning by looking, because to me trading is more a visual thing. It's going to be very hard for you to, I mean, you can probably understand it a little bit, but I'd rather look at it and look at the video. So I would just basically look at videos and go from there. But trading in the zone is pretty good. Like I said, me personally, I didn't really read too much books on trading. It was more a video thing. I like to look and watch videos. So you can watch some videos on YouTube, or if you want to get a couple of courses, you can do that. I have a course too. You can get that. But from there, you could take it from there. Just practice, bro. Open up a demo, practice. So what's your favorite? What's my favorite mock trading site to practice? It's not I don't have a favorite site. You just basically whatever market you want to trade. So let's say that you want to trade the stock market. Just type in, just Google, say, demo account for the stock market. All right. You're going to have multiple websites come up that you can sign up for a demo. Okay. And you practice. Okay. If you want to trade the futures account, right? Like, for example, I tell my students, they can open up a futures account with AMP futures. So you can do a demo with them. If you want to trade the futures account. So it doesn't matter what site you use. Honestly, don't get caught up with the site. Just start. All right. Just start. Get your feet wet. Practice. All right. And, educate yourself. And then if you want to open up a live account, you can go from there. What's going on, Travis? Lauren said, "Hey Ben, what do you mean by fireworks?" So basically, if you look at the market, is January really, Bitcoin hasn't done anything. So fireworks meaning that we can sell off like crazy. Okay, sell off or go up. Either way. But I'm more looking to the downside, because right now things are looking weak. So what I'm basically saying is expect some movement next month in February, because honestly, we've just been going down slow. I do expect some type of movement next month. Okay, I don't care if it's to the upside or the downside, something, because I mean we are just moving slow, bro. Like it's just a slow grind down. I think I see a connection with Bitcoin and ETH. What do you mean by that? ETH love to follow Bitcoin. Okay. REN. What's REN? That's a stock, or what's that? That's a crypto? This is the only chart I got right here. REN, Bitcoin. Honestly, I don't like this chart at all. It doesn't show me anything. It just shows me that it's going down. So honestly, I don't like this chart. I wish I had more information on that. What's going on, Cedric? Ben, maybe I did not hear it, but I don't think you answered your own topic question. What is your opinion on BT? Yeah. I didn't answer it yet. We didn't get to that yet. We're gonna get to that though, Lauren. We're gonna get to that. Where you trade crude oil? I trade crude oil. I have 3 accounts. Okay, I have 3 futures account. Okay. So you can open up an account with AMP futures, Affinity futures. Okay. Those are the two brokers you can go to. If you're dealing with interactive brokers, you're gonna have to. The minimum, I believe, is $10,000 to have an account open. So you probably don't want to start there. But the other brokers, you don't have to have, $10,000. You can have less than that. Travis said, Ben, crypto course is for real, and it's not just for crypto. It tells you how to do technical analysis on charts so you can trade, not trade. Yes. So basically, a lot of my students that got my crypto course, they do trade other markets too using the same strategies. There's a tasty setup on Ethereum. Yeah, I see what you're talking about, Dom. Yeah. What's going on, Quick Shot? Yeah, no problem, WAO. Who knew said, who knew? I don't know exactly what you're talking about right now. Can you explain yourself a little bit better? Elvis said Justin's son is going to be like jail. He's going to be in jail. That's what he said. Why he's going to be in jail? Why Justin's son is going to jail? Dustin's son said, how much is your course? Well, I have 2 courses, Dustin. I have 2 courses. This course right here is $300, and this course right here is $950. All right. This one I usually give you guys the discount on my live stream. So let's get that over with. So on my live stream, I give Dustin, you guys a break. Just to help you guys out. I don't really have to help you guys out, but I just do it. All right. And basically I give you that 50% off. All right. If you want to check that out, you can check that out. And just to let you know that when I get off a live stream, it goes back to 150. I mean, it goes back to 300. Right. Now, if you want to get this right here, the day trading one, this actually comes with the crypto course and the day trading course. All right. So it's 2 courses in one, and we'll teach you how to day trade the futures market. And also you get the crypto course too. All right. If you want to learn how I make 1K to 5K a day, this is the course for you. All right. So basically, if you're interested in building a trading business, this is it right here. This course is for people that want to swing trade the crypto market. But you can also take these skills right here and use it in different markets like the Forex, commodities, different things like that. But this will show you how to trade in the bear market, in the bull market. Honestly, I only believe in making money now because the little guys, you have to understand, the little guys like us, bro, the little guys like us, we have to constantly think about building cash flow, okay? If you don't have $10 million in your bank account right now, you don't have the the luxury to just chill out and think everything is going to be okay. So you have to learn how to build cash flow so you can build up your wealth, okay? If you try to, like what most people do right now, is they will buy a stock or they will buy a coin and they will cross their fingers, okay? They cross their fingers and hope it will work out. And I'm here to tell you that's not how the rich play, okay? The rich don't play like that, all right? If you look at any billionaire, if you look at any millionaire, okay, that's making real money, just look at them, okay? They have a vehicle that's making daily income, weekly income, monthly income. They don't have a stock or a coin that they crossing their fingers and hoping that it works, okay? They're not waiting 5, 10, 20 years to hope, this stuff will work out. No, they working on something that will generate income monthly, okay? Trust me when I say this, it's all about monthly cash flow. Don't let anyone else tell you anything different. That's the name of the game, bro. That's the game that the rich is playing, okay? When you increase your monthly cash flow, bro, you will not, I repeat, will not care about your long-term investments, all right? A guy like me, let's say that if I bought Bitcoin, right? And let's say I put 15 grand on Bitcoin, bro, and Bitcoin goes to zero, I wouldn't care, okay? Why is that? Because I have money coming in daily, weekly, and monthly. How? Well, I trained myself to get to that level, okay? To get to a level where I can make money from the charts, reading the charts, and that allows me to generate monthly cash flow, okay? So when you making, monthly monthly, bro, you don't care about your long-term investments. That's why a lot of people are depressed right now, because they made a mistake and they basically put all their wealth into a stock or a coin, and they just basically biting their nails and hoping that this thing will work out. That's not how it works, okay? You really have to separate or have multiple strategies in place where you, if you want to have long-term coins or stocks, you can do that. But at the same time, you have to have something on the side that brings you that monthly cash flow. And I told you guys this all the time, that I don't care if your monthly cash flow doesn't come from trading, okay? You can sell cars or sell clothes online. I don't care where your monthly cash flow comes from, okay? Or comes, how you get your monthly cash flow. As long as you get monthly cash flow, bro. Build up your wealth, okay? So you won't be stressed, so you won't have to live paycheck to paycheck, all right? Most of Americans, I live in America, so most Americans, bro, they really don't have a lot of money in their savings account, right? So they have to live paycheck to paycheck. And the only reason why is because they're too lazy to build money-making skills that will allow them to generate monthly cash flow. That's the name of the game, bro. The more monthly cash flow you have, the less, bro, you're not going to be stressful. Trust me. All right, so let's go back to these questions, and then we will talk about 2020. All right. because he hasn't provide information on how his blockchain could. Okay, so I mean, so he's a marketing scam. Okay, so let me ask you a question. Okay, he lives somewhere in what? He lives in China, right? So how, I'm thinking like, even if he, there's no really regular rules right now out when it comes to the crypto market. So these guys can literally get away with a lot of things, especially if you're not in the U.S. So let me ask you a question. Okay, if he, he's not in the U.S. right now, so how can he get put in jail if there's no regulations or rules put in place? I'm just asking. Can't even tell you what game trading the day trading course is. It's about going pro. Yes, it's definitely about that. We should have 40 likes. Yes. Shout out to you guys. If you guys here, hit the like button. Hit that like button. Your finger's not gonna fall off. Dom said Ben's day trading course and swing trading course will make anyone that's willing to study and learn how to read the charts become a professional trader. Shout out to you, Dom. Smack the likes. Yes. Don't be a lurker. Facts. What's going on, TB $? You said for the first time, 7-month low in February coming in 4-year pattern, 50-week. I really don't know what that means, honestly. I really don't understand that. TRX is just entertainment. Honestly, you want to hear the truth? You say TRX is just entertainment. Honestly, 98% of these coins are entertainment for the most part. All right, so let's go to the question, right? Let's go to the question of the day, okay? Or the topic of the day. Because I'm seeing videos, okay? I'm seeing videos from your favorite YouTubers talking about the halving and talking about 2020, how every time Bitcoin had the halving and basically how every single time Bitcoin mooned up. And this time in 2020, we should expect a move to the upside. Guys, I'm here to tell you, okay, do not listen to these guys. These guys are full of it, all right? 2020, the halving doesn't mean anything about nothing, all right? You can go back and look at all the charts you want. It doesn't mean that just because it did it twice, we're going to do it a third time, okay? If you look at the title of my video, okay, I said wait for confirmation, guys, all right? Wait for confirmation, because if you don't, you're going to be that guy that's going to be pissed because your favorite YouTuber told you that we're going to 2020. I'm sorry, we're going to bull up and turn bullish in 2020. And when 2020 comes, we continue to go down, all right? So the best thing for you guys to do, if you want to wait for that bull market, just wait for confirmation, bro. Okay, that's the best, thing I can tell you right now, because most of you guys is going to continue to just lose money, and I don't want you guys to lose money. I'd rather you guys save your money, because nothing, okay, since we had this bear market, nothing on the chart is telling me to buy. There's no confirmation on the chart that's telling me, hey man, we're going to move up soon. So wait till you see confirmation. Forget about 2020. Forget about 2021. Forget about 2022. Forget about all those years. Wait for confirmation. That's it. Okay? The news is not going to save you. Your favorite YouTuber is not going to save you. I'm not going to save you. All right? You're going to save yourself. How are you going to save yourself? By reading the charts. By learning how to read the charts. Understand what the chart is telling you. Okay? How you think I'm able to do this full time? I'm doing this because the chart is speaking to me. All right? It's whispering in my ear and say, hey man, listen. Okay, we are going to continue to go back down because right now there's really no demand. And if you look at this, you know, all you see is continuation. And so just wait till you get confirmation, and that's when you start buying. Okay, don't buy now, because if you continue to buy now, you're gonna lose your money. Okay, that's what the chart is basically telling me, bro. All right. So listen to the chart. The chart will never lie to you. All right. Forget about these stupid YouTubers that will always give you some type of hope, because that's what they do, guys. These guys are the best at giving you hope, the best of tricking you and making you feel, hey man, you know, things is going to be all right. Guys, learn how to read the charts. You're listening to guys that basically know nothing. They down 90%. Their portfolio's down 90%, right? Look at these guys' track record, okay? Why would you want to listen to a guy with a bad track record? Okay, these are the same guys that told you that they buying the bottom last year, right? Most of these guys said 6,000 was the bottom. They going all in, or they buying the bottom at 6,000. These guys got wrecked, all right? Some of you guys that some of you YouTubers that you listen to, these guys bought 6,000 with leverage, okay? With leverage. They got stopped out, all right? So I'm not listening to those guys. These guys are clueless. They are not professionals. All right. If guys, listen, if you hear things like buy the dips, if you hear things like the bottom is coming soon, 2020, we're going to moon up, we're going to hit 50K by the end of this year, buy up the coins because the coins are cheap, there's no more sellers left at this level, so I can't see the market continue to go down. The market can't go down because there's no way Bitcoin could go below 3,000, 6,000, or whatever number, because the miners. If you hear things like that, guys, run fast. Okay, run fast. Those are the guys these guys are clueless, right? It doesn't matter. 2020, right? It's just another year. You have to see what the chart is doing, and you take it from there. You wait for confirmation. That's why I want you guys to become professionals, right? Become professionals, because professionals don't do things based on emotions or based on what they feel inside. Okay, they look at the chart and they basically make their decision based on that, right? So let's go back to your guys' questions, and we go from there. Okay, you got guys that showing you charts like this, saying that Bitcoin is going to go up based on their feelings. All right, and these are the same guys that's down 90%, and you listening to guys like that. So just wait for confirmation, guys. Wait for it. Wait for confirmation before you do anything. You're just going to throw away your money. There was no confirmation at 6,000. I don't know why you guys even bought the bottom at 6,000 or try to buy the dip at 6,000? Why? This is exactly what I'm talking about. Why did you buy the dip at 6,000? Answer that question. The reason why you bought it because your favorite YouTuber told you, right? There's no, look at the chart. All right, let's go. There's no confirmation on the chart. Why would you buy? I mean, I don't get it. All right, no confirmation at all. Boom, the chart dropped more, right? We going down more. Why would you even buy right now? No confirmation on the chart. Wait for confirmation. You're not going to miss anything, guys. Stop thinking that if you don't, some of you guys think that if you don't catch the exact bottom, you're going to miss out. No, guys, it doesn't work like that. You can still make a lot of money even if you don't catch the exact bottom. That's what you have to understand. Because you're going to be stressed out. You're going to lose all your money. You're going to be tired. Like, guys, you have to understand, all your money is in crypto right now. And you're done. Like, you have no money for emergencies. You have no money for new opportunities. All right? You have no money for nothing. You're just a guy that's going to work, working, and basically working paycheck to paycheck. Just because some stupid guy on YouTube told you to buy the bottom. So let's go back to these questions. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Bro, please, all right? Listen, learn how to read the charts. Trust me, technical analysis work. The reason why you think it doesn't work is because you're listening to guys that are clueless and they draw charts like this. These are the guys that, you really have to understand, right? The guys that you're listening to right now, the technical analysis guys that you listen to right now, the reason why most of you guys think technical analysis doesn't work is because you listen to guys that's doing TA, but at the same time, these guys are bullish, okay? So let me explain to you why that's probably the wrong thing to do, okay? If you're listening to a guy, okay, that is a moon boy and only believe that the market is going up, he is not going to be realistic when he looks at the chart, okay? Because he's only thinking one way. He's only thinking about the market going up. He's not being a real trader and a real technical analysis guy, okay? A real professional, right? He doesn't tie his emotions, right, into the chart or into his feelings, okay? Basically, he looks at the chart and whatever the chart is telling you or telling him, he bases his decisions on that, all right? He's not going to say, well, you see how, Bitcoin is going down. We're going to curve up like this and we're going to go to the moon. He's not going to say that, right? A real professional is not going to say that. So you're listening to technical analysis guys that's only one-sided, okay? They only care about the market going up, okay? When you have a guy like me that I don't really care if the market goes to 1,000 or 50K because I can make money either way, all right? I'm not going to just give you a bullish scenario just because I feel or I want the market to go up, okay? That's the difference between me and most of these guys that are doing technical analysis when it comes to Bitcoin. They only thinking about bullish scenarios, all right? Once in a while, they will turn bearish. Once in a while, they will turn bearish. But 90% of the time, they are doing some, they're looking at the market, looking at inverse head and shoulders, right? They thinking that the market's going to reverse, looking at wedges and wedges and saying that, hey man, we're gonna pop up to the moon. They looking at triple bottoms, they looking at double bottoms. So they always looking at the chart the wrong way because they one-sided. They think that the market's gonna moon up because they are moon boys, okay? Moon boys. So that's why you guys think technical analysis doesn't work, because you're dealing with the wrong guys, okay? These guys are not professionals. Professionals, they put their feelings to the side and say, hey man, you know what? I really will love crypto. Like me, for example, I will love to have have the market go up to 50K. I will love that, guys, all right? But at the same time, I'm a professional, I'm a realist, and I see the chart. I see the chart right now is going down. So I will never tell you on my live stream, guys, we're about to moon up soon, just because I feel or I want Bitcoin to moon up. Okay, if it was up to me, yes, Bitcoin will be at 50K, 100K, 200K, but it's not up to me, right? So I'm giving you the real deal. I'm telling you what's going on on a chart. Okay, it's not based on my feelings. I don't care about my feelings. My feelings doesn't matter at all. So let's go to these questions and we go from there, guys. All right. Yeah, guys, it's crazy. Richard Lopez said, "What's going on? How is Friday treating you? Crush any moon boys tonight?" Nah, man. You know, I don't want to crush the moon boys. I want to educate these guys. I want to help them snap back to reality, or not even snap back to reality, but let them see that most of you guys are doing the wrong things. All right, that's why most of you guys are having problems with your portfolio right now. Okay, if you guys are down 80%, 90%, I want to educate you guys and let you know. I know why. I know because I've been through that before. I've been through a bear market before, so I'm trying to help the moon boys and anybody that's new to this, crypto space or invest in the investment world. All right, I'm trying to help you guys out. I'm reading these questions, guys, so give me a second. Ahmed said bull run 3019. That's crazy. Woo. That's funny. You know how many people will be so man, these guys will be so upset right now. Oh man. That means they kids got to see get to see the bull run. That's crazy. Elvis said charts be lying more than my ex-wife. Elvis, I don't know what chart you've been looking at, or the charts don't lie, bro. The charts don't lie at all. Quick shot said chart whisper is hilarious. I forgot. I just whispered in the mic. Honestly. Elvis said the charts are tricky. I'll leave it up to the pros. No, bro. No, you're getting it wrong, bro. Stop it. This is why most moon boys. This is why most moon boys will continue to get tricked. Always believe, charts like this. All right. Most of you guys will always believe charts like this. Always believe good news. Always believe anything that you will see on TV or listen to, if you listen to your favorite YouTuber. The reason why you always believe those guys because you have nothing else. Okay? Guys, it's not tricky. Reading a chart is not tricky. How do I know that? Because I have students that never ever traded in their lives and they actually making money. That's how I know. 98% of my students are newbies that never traded the market before. And if they make money, then what is your excuse? BJ, what would a confirmation look like at 6K if it was going to go up? break out of this and higher highs. Okay, that's all we want, guys. I want this break right here, pull back. Okay, we want those higher highs. Okay, higher highs, man. We haven't. All we seeing is lower lows. We're not seeing higher highs at all. Ben, I'm interested, but Bob Lucas is a very experienced guy. You said Bob Lucas is a very experienced guy. So let me ask you a question. Why do you think he's very experienced? Just because he told you? BTC 4-year cycle. That doesn't mean anything. Let me see here. You said Pokemon Game on apps. I don't know. You said we're just getting us to hand them out. Yeah, Travis. Yeah, that it looks like that, Travis. It looks like all the guys that were saying 25K, 50K, 100K was basically just saying that just to, you know, have us be, you know, the guy that's losing money so they can make more money. And if anybody that's on this chat room or in this live stream right now, you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. What's going on, Expose? Richard said, I'm telling you, Ben is the chart whisperer. Brian said, no, 25 years experience. I understand it, okay? 25 years experience doesn't mean anything, okay? What does that mean? Basically, what I'm trying to say is just because you have 25 years experience, right, doesn't make you a legit player in the market. All right, so let's go back to you said don't block me. I'm just speaking my mind. I hope we can talk about it, debate it. Like, talk about what? What are you talking about? Yeah, you said follow me. I mean, honestly, we can't. Elvis, you can't really put your website out there. You know, that's one thing you can't do. Because if you decide to do that, put your website in, guess what? Everyone else want to put their website. But other than that, you can say whatever you want. So Brian, all right, let me ask you this question, all right? Is that guy a professional? Is he trading full time? Right? Is he a full-time trader, investor? And if he is, how do you know that? All right? Is he showing you proof? Is he showing you trades in real time? Is he showing you, hey, man, look at this. I just made that. Okay? Because, when I tell people I have 11 years of experience, I'm not just talking. All right? I'm showing people with action. Okay? I don't care if you have 25 years of experience. Saying that Bitcoin every 4 years is going to go up doesn't make any sense to me. Okay? That's a suspect. sounds suspect to me. Oh, no, I wasn't catching feelings, Elvis. All right, guys. So if you have any questions, guys, if you have any questions, type it in. Anything about the crypto market. Most likely, I'm going to end this stream soon. But I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say today. Don't listen to guys that will tell you we're gonna moon up and go like this just because it sounds good. Like most of these guys that talk about things like this, literally, like they can make it sound so real, right? They will have all the stats in place. They will tell you every 4 years Bitcoin did this, or every 2 years Bitcoin did that. It would make, guys, it would sound so good, like so believable. Guys, I do not care about that, right? Because no one knows the future, right? No one knows the future. So basically, what I'm trying to tell you is the chart right now tells me, bro, right, that we will most likely continue to go down. And when 2020 comes, don't fall for the hype. Wait for confirmation, right? That's the key. Wait for confirmation. I don't care if this guy said he has 40 years experience. Forget him, all right? Wait for confirmation. The numbers never lie to you. The chart will never lie to you, all right? Wait for confirmation. Learn how to read the charts. Because once you learn how to read the charts, you don't have to depend on your favorite XRP YouTuber, someone that has 45 years of experience. You don't have to depend on ETFs and back and some stupid news that you heard on CNBC. You could depend on yourself. Okay, you can look at the chart and say, nope, this is not a bull. It's not a bull market. Nope, I'm looking at it right now. It doesn't look bullish at all. Okay, that's the position that you want to be in. You don't want to be in, oh, well, it sounds good, so I believe him. That's all you got? It sounds good, so I believe him? Come on, man. You really have to step up your game, okay? Step up your game. Learn how the financial markets work. Learn how the charts. Learn how to read the charts, and go from there, guys. All right. The reason why I'm able to come here on my live streams, told you guys to stop buying the dips, while everybody laughed at me when I was saying we was in a bear market. Everyone said, bro, what are you talking about? Why are you saying bear market for? When I was telling you guys stop buying the dips at 6,000, we have a lot of pressure behind this. This looks like this thing is going to crack. People came on my live stream and saying, ha, 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 Bitcoin will never go to 6,000. Guys, it's not me or anything based on my feelings. All right, I'm looking at the chart, bro. This things look like it's going to crack any minute. Elvis said, thanks for your time, Ben. You're awesome. Yeah, no problem, man. Shout out to you. How often do you live stream? I don't know. Every other day, I guess. Every other day, or 4 times a week, 5 times a week, I guess. Brian, Ben, I do want to learn your tactics. Yes, if you want to learn my tactics, it's up to you what you want to do. I have 2 courses that will help you learn how to make money from a bear market and a bull market. The first one is this one, which is the crypto market. We'll show you how to swing trade the crypto market. The second one is the day trading one, all right? And this one actually comes with the crypto market course. Okay, if you have the crypto market course already, you will get a discount with this. You just have to email me. But if you want to learn more about this crypto course right here, is actually 150 on a live stream. When I get off a live stream, it goes right back to 300. Here's the link, and all my courses come with a Discord room, so you can chat with me and my students. If you have any questions, you can also message me via Discord or just email me. All I want to do is basically help you guys go to the next level, or save you guys money. All right, I don't want you guys to lose money for during this bear market, and or because you heard something from your favorite YouTuber. All right, I do expect this thing to continue to go down back to 3,200 slowly. Expect some fireworks in February. I definitely expect some type of fireworks. We can actually, in February, we can actually get a big move to the upside, or we just bounce from that 3,200 and then just to go right back down. So just expect some fireworks. I'm definitely expecting some fireworks. Something, bro. I mean something, because this is a slow grind down. This is getting annoying. Anyway, but it's still money to be made, even though it's grinding slow. Still money to be made. It's just what it is. Let's see here. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. If you are tired of being lied to, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of hearing good news, but we're going down every single month, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of everything, bro, hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn more about the charts and how to read from the charts, how to make money from the charts, hit that subscribe button. What I do over here, I specialize in making money now, NOW, from the charts, because honestly, if you study the rich, those guys always focus on making money now. They don't care too much about 20 years or 50 years from now. Of course, they do have long-term plays, but for the most part, they all about monthly cash flow, and that's what I'm trying to help you guys understand and trying to get you guys to that level. Let's look at some more questions before I get out of here. Today is Friday, so I'm gonna let you guys go and have fun. Let's see if I see anything. They said Bitcoin going to 10 million in a few weeks. I think someone said we're going to did that. I think man, what is that guy? I think the Hyperwave guy said we're going to either 1 million or 10 million Bitcoin. Shout out to you, Bobby. So Ben, if BTC touched 3650, which is around here, are you going to open up a short position? Do you have a short position open up now? No. So basically, right now, okay, not on Bitcoin chart, but Ethereum chart looks okay for a setup. But at the same time, Bitcoin could decide to go up one more time. Something like this, okay, go up one more time, create another flag, all right, just to go right back down. So no, I don't even have to wait for 3650 to have a short position. All right, it could be way before 3650. Yeah, no problem, Elvis. Shout out to you, bro. All right, guys. So, Hey, what's going on, Sean? What's going on, Ron? How you doing, bro? Frederick, what's going on? You said plot on the chart what confirmation will look like. Frederick, are you going to be available? I don't know. The next live stream, I will show you on the next live stream. Because I basically showed this before. Actually, I can do it real quick. I'll do it real quick for you. Confirmation looks like this. All right. This is the last bear market, guys. This is the last bear market when we was at the bottom. All right. This is what confirmation looks like, guys. All right. We was going sideways for a long time. We broke out of the consolidation. You see that? We was making. If you look at these, we was making higher highs before we even broke out the consolidation. But we broke out. We pulled back, right? We pulled back. We found support. And guess what? We kept going up. We kept going. We kept making higher highs, right? This big triangle right here, you could have bought this, right? It pulled back to the triangle, found support, boom. All right, we are making higher highs, bro. That's what I want to see. All right. So shout out to you, Frederick. For you guys that trying to catch the bottom, bro, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to catch the bottom. Okay, you will still make a lot of money even if you don't catch the bottom. Okay. Let's say that you bought this big triangle right here at 490 or 500. You're trying to say that if you bought at 500 and you sold at 19,000, that you're going to be mad just because you didn't catch the bottom? No, you're going to be happy because you made a lot of money. So stop being that guy that's trying to buy the dips every single time, because you're just going to be a guy that's broke. Don't have no money for emergencies. Don't have no money for your family, just because you don't know how to be patient and wait for confirmation. Talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend. Make sure that you guys stay safe. And continue to improve. Continue to learn how to read the charts. Continue to just study and practice. If you guys have any more questions, you can actually email me. But shout out to everybody that's here. I hope you guys have a great weekend. All right. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.